Hey everyone, this is Rose, and I welcome you to my random channel. This is going to be a Walmart beauty box double mystery unboxing. And before I get started, I'm going to go ahead and put it out there that this is not two of the current ones. What I am is basically a beauty box hoarder, and when I do these videos, I pull out two past ones I've kind of just set aside. I compare the sample values to the $5.99 price, and just give you kind of like a sneak peek if you're new to the program. Whether if you're new to the program, you get to see whether or not, I guess, has the program always been good, or did it used to suck? And so if you're interested in learning more about the Walmart beauty box, I'll put my playlist up in the cards. The very first video I posted, I explained everything about how the program works. So I'm just going to get into these two boxes. I have no clue what year, what season these are from. I'll do this one first. This is a winter box. I know that at least, because that's what this card says. Here is everything. Walmart, whatever year this is something that's not sold anymore. This is the third pack of these things that I have. And actually, I've been going through these, like where the little spikes fall off. So it's probably why they're not sold anymore. I'm digressing. But anyway, here's everything that's in this box, and I'll go ahead and talk about these, and of course the values. These are the goodies, slide-proof silicone elastic. There's 8 of them. And again, I already know from previous experience that these are not sold anymore, mainly because the spiky little nubs fall off, and I think I'm on my second pack of these. So once the spikes fall off, they're just like basic elastic. Then I got a Pantene Level 4 Extra Strong Hold Hairspray, 24-hour humidity resistance, 1 fluid ounce. I actually have used this before. It smells really good and does a decent job. Now, is it like humidity proof? I don't think so. But still, not a bad, affordable hairspray. We got the Aveeno Skin Relief Gentle Scent Lotion. So this is a body lotion, moisturizes for 24 hours. We will see. This is 1 fluid ounce. It has a methicone in it, 1.3%, which is a skin protectant. I am extremely dry from the scalp and the neck down, so I will definitely put this to the test. Ooh, we got a body butter. Spa Exotically Creamy Coconut Rich Body Butter, 1.7 fluid ounces. Really excited to try this since I'm so dry. And then the last thing is this Aveeno Skin Relief, the body wash, and this is 1 fluid ounce. So, surprised there's not a toothpaste in this, because they normally have a toothpaste. But anyway, we got basically 3 body products and 2 hair products. Oh, no, never mind, not done. This is winter 2016, because I just saw the date on this coupon. This is a little advertisement for Jennifer Aniston's fragrance, and it has a little sample thing right there. Oh, we got a sample of the Olay Regenerist Micro Sculpting Cream Moisturizer, 0.02 ounces. And actually, this has a coupon on the back as well. We got another Olay sample, the Regenerist Luminous Tone Perfecting Cream Moisturizer, 0.2 ounces, and it has a coupon on the back. And then, oh yeah, this is totally not finished. We got the L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 Ceramide foil packet samples. These are all 0.34 fluid ounces. We have the shampoo, conditioner, and the Damage Erasing Balm. And so there are those. And I think this is the last thing. This has 2 Jergens wet skin moisturizers. So you use this in the shower. 1 in coconut, one in Manoi oil. The packets are 0.25 fluid ounces, and then there's a coupon, which is pretty cool. And then it has like a pamphlet about that body butter line. And then there's actually a L'Oreal coupon. And that's really neat. They actually have something for you to match your shade up with the L'Oreal True Match line, which I've actually tried before, and I'll admit for my oily skin, I wasn't a huge fan. And it has a coupon on the back. So, alright, so the value of that first Walmart beauty box is, we'll quickly get into this one. This one has festive purple, fall 2016. So this was the box that winter was earlier in the year. This is fall, so this was probably like in October of 2016. A card talking about the program. And then I will get into the products. This is a full-size Colgate Optic White toothpaste. 3 ounces. We got a Dove shower gel, 1.8 fluid ounces. We have a Vaseline Intensive Care moisturizer for very dry skin. Excited to get this. 1 fluid ounce. We have a Clean and Clear Deep Action 60-second shower mask, which is awesome. Because if this helps with acne, which I believe it does, I definitely need it right now. This is 1 ounce. Looks like these are bath salts. The Village Naturals Therapy Aches and Pains Muscle Relief Concentrated Mineral Bath Soap. 2 ounces. Has menthol, spearmint, and eucalyptus. Okay. There's 1 Biore nose strip in here. I'll admit I've never used a nose strip before, so this will be a first. Then we have some vitamins. Nature's Bounty Hair, Skin, and Nails Gummies with biotin. 2 strawberry flavored gummies. Pretty interesting. And the last, well, second to last thing, there's something talking about the toothpaste right here. And then the last thing is from EcoTubes. These are actually single pack makeup brush cleansing cloths. Didn't know that these existed. Well, there you go. The value of this second Walmart beauty box was, I'm going to put up the first one again. Am I still a member? Of course I am. So, if you have any comments or questions, please don't hesitate to leave them down below. And again, this is it. Again, this is Rose, and thank you so much for watching this crap. If you found this at all helpful or entertaining, then please don't hesitate to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to become a part of my random family. And until next time, I hope you all have a great day, and you will see me again hopefully very soon.